Hey guys, welcome to Magia en la Mesa. We are trying some cupcakes from Mulberry's Cake Shop and we're excited to try them, so come and join us, guys.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you guys doing today?
Good, how about you?
Good. How are you?
We're just here to check out some of your cupcakes.
Bye.
Your cup.
And all of our popular flavors are right there.
Okay. They look really good, actually. I definitely want to try that.
$3.50.
This is the German. How much? Which one? Oh yeah, this is right here. Hey guys, so we're back with the cupcakes. We decided to get 9 flavors. Here are the flavors.
This one's a chocolate, German chocolate. This is just another chocolate one. Lemon, red velvet, carrot, strawberry.
That one was lemon. That vanilla.
No, vanilla and then confetti.
Okay, let's go ahead and give it a try. Which one do you want to try first?
Okay, I want to try. Let's just go in order.
In order?
Okay. So we're gonna try this this chocolate
This
one.
is just a regular chocolate, guys. That looks really good. It also costs $1.95 for each.
So in total, this was like 19 something.
$19, yeah. Which is actually a really good price. I think it's a pretty good chocolate cake.
Yeah, I think it's alright.
It just tastes like a regular chocolate cake.
Like from the store or something.
Yeah.
Nothing
But I
crazy.
really like it. I really like the fudge that they put on top, actually. That's really good. Okay, this is just a pretty solid chocolate cupcake.
Cake. Nothing crazy.
Nothing too crazy. Let's go ahead and move on to the German chocolate cake.
Yeah. That one tastes good.
I love that one.
It's coconut and it's caramel, I think, on top.
There's coconut on there for sure. I
Coconut,
absolutely
like
love
coconut
that
shreddings, I think. And it's just like a chocolate underneath.
one. I really like this one, guys. Do I like this better than the chocolate one? I don't know.
Yeah.
At the very end, we're just gonna show which one is the best.
Yeah.
This one is a really, really good one. Out of a 10,
Come on.
8.
Really?
Yeah. I like the coconut on top.
I think I would give it a 7
7?
out of 10.
Okay. Moving on to the next one. Okay, guys, so this one is a fudge one. This actually looks really good. I love chocolate, so let's go ahead and try it. I like that
I
one.
like this one a lot.
I think I like that one better than just the regular chocolate one.
Yeah.
I think it's because it has the vanilla buttercream on top.
Yeah, that's bombing
And
it.
it really just adds like that kind of like,
It does taste like fudge too.
it does also taste like fudge actually. I don't know, I like the vanilla buttercream and the fudge on top. It doesn't make it too like overly chocolatey.
Yeah.
I really like that one.
Yeah,
guys.
it's not like bad either.
Out of a 10,
I'm gonna have a fat like 8.
I'll give
That's
that one
good.
an 8 too.
Bomb. And you don't need any water with this, surprisingly. These aren't dry at all.
Actually. Okay guys, we're done with the chocolate ones. Let's go ahead and start moving on to the other ones.
That's the lemon one.
This one is lemon.
This is one we've been wanting to try.
With blueberry buttercream.
Bomb.
So just gonna go ahead and
So
take
hyped
a
right now.
bite.
Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, whoopsie. That is good.
That is really good, guys. The lemon cake,
You can
It's
hella
lemon.
taste it, yeah. And the buttercream is I mean,
It's
the
bomb.
blueberry is, you can taste it, and it goes so good
It
together.
complemented so well.
That's a fat cupcake, bro.
This one, 8.5.
Yeah. I'm gonna give this one a 9, bro.
8.5.
This is bomb. Yeah.
I would order that one again.
I'd order this one
for
again,
sure.
too. That's amazing.
Okay, guys, let's go ahead and move on to the next cupcake.
This next one is just a red velvet cupcake. Just a regular red velvet.
I don't remember the last time I had red velvet. When was the last time you had one? I don't even know how it tastes
I don't even know
like.
how it tastes either.
Let's try it out.
Bring it back.
I like that one.
I love this one. I'm gonna go in for double.
For another bite?
Yeah.
That was really good cupcake. I like that one, guys.
The top is a little weird to me. I think this top is just frosting to me. I don't know how I feel about it. That's just me personally. But the bread,
The actual cake itself is really good.
bomb.
That one, I'm gonna give that
I'm
one
gonna give that one a 7. I mean a 7.
a 7.
Yeah, only because I don't like the top.
I'll give that one a 7 too.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah, I'll give that one a 7. It was really good, guys.
It was good, but
I'll
it's
give
the
that
top.
one a 7.
It's the frosting. This next one is an amazing. An amazing carrot cake. I love carrot cake. So
Yeah,
my
she
expectations-
loves carrot cake.
My expectations are high.
I know that they changed the buttercream on this.
I mean, you don't.
But you can already tell. If you look at the cake itself, do you see the bits of carrot in there?
How you know? There's how you know.
Wow.
Wow, wow, whoopsie. Wow,
Wow.
wow, whoopsie.
That one. Great one, guys.
Yeah. Yeah, that one's good.
I'll give that one a 9.
I'm gonna give that one a fat juicy. I'd give that one a 7. It's the frosting for me.
Really?
Yeah, the frosting. I don't know how I feel about it, but the bread thing is really good.
Yeah, 9, guys. I'll go ahead and do this one, actually.
That one is the strawberry one.
This one is a strawberry one, guys. I love the decoration on top. I love the
Oh, yeah.
sprinkles.
By the way, the presentation on all of these have been really good. I like
Overall,
it a
really
lot.
good.
Yeah.
I love it. Let's see. Let's see the strawberry one.
Oh wow.
The strawberry is present
Wow.
in
The strawberry is present.
in the buttercream as well as the
It's
actual
there.
cupcake itself.
It's wow.
Does it taste like artificial strawberry?
No.
It does
Not
taste
at
like
all.
actual strawberry.
It's like a physical strawberry being put in my mouth right now.
I like that one.
I love that one.
I'll give that one a 7. 7 out of 10.
I'm gonna give that one a 7.
Right?
Shoot.
I would say a 7 out of 10, guys. I really like that one.
Yeah. Which is this one? Vanilla.
This one is just
A reg vanilla.
plain vanilla, guys. I like the decoration on top. It's really cute. I just love vanilla.
You can never go wrong with vanilla. What it tastes like? Vanilla?
It tastes like vanilla. It tastes like better than the cupcakes you get at King Supers or at Walmart. It tastes a little bit better than that.
Yeah.
You can tell that it's like a good,
You can tell that they made it for sure.
like fresh. I love vanilla.
Me too.
That was just like a good
that was just a regular vanilla.
vanilla, slightly elevated.
Yeah, vanilla slightly elevated, not crazy.
I would give that one 8.
An 8?
Yeah.
I'd give that one like. Well, I mean, there's no really rating. I don't know. I'd give it like a 6.
I don't know if
Just
you
a
would
regular
rank
vanilla.
it. Yeah, I don't know if we should rank it. It's just a plain vanilla. Okay, guys, so on to the last cupcake.
This last one is confetti. Presentation is on point.
I love the presentation on all
it
these guys. They ate it out.
Yeah, just vanilla with sprinkles cupcake.
I like it though.
Crazy.
Good texture in there.
Yeah.
7.
Yeah, I'm gonna give that 6 again.
Okay, out of all the cupcakes, which one was the most memorable?
For sure the lemon one. For sure the cake one. For sure the red velvet one.
The carrot
And
cake?
the strawberry one. Yeah. I don't know why that red velvet one got me good. It's just really tastes like red velvet.
I really, 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 really like the lemon one, the carrot cake one,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna go ahead and do the chocolate fudge one with the.
Yeah, that fudge one was bombing up.
It was really, really good, guys. Overall, it was a pretty good experience. I would definitely visit the bakery.
Yeah,
So-
and not only that, they had like different pastries there.
They also had cookies. They had like cookie sandwiches. They also had macaroons.
Cinnamon rolls.
They also do cakes
They
as
also
well.
do cakes. Custom cakes, that is.
And they also do like shakes. There was like a milkshakes.
They had a little bit of everything.
They had honestly a little bit of everything. Customer service was so
good.
she was so nice.
Very
Very
sweet.
sweet. And honestly, the whole vibe was so cozy. Like you don't feel like you're at a like a bakery. You feel like you're like a grandma's house or something.
Yeah.
You know.
And the smell isn't too bad either. Like oh,
No,
yeah.
they definitely deserve more customers.
Yeah, I think
'cause it's really good.
they're bomb.
Really, really good.
I
guys.
wouldn't. I mean, so obviously some of the cakes are just regular cupcakes, but if you want to try something different, I say get the lemon one, the red velvet one.
Yeah.
The carrot cake one is really good.
Carrot cake. Wow. That was the best. That was the most memorable.
But yeah,
Well, okay guys, well thank you so much for watching our video. Definitely visit Mulberry's Cupcake Shop. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on our video which one looks the most delicious. All the
Which one?
cupcakes.
which another review you guys want us to do.
Well, thank you guys. We'll see you later.